I've been watching Rite Aid for a couple of days now, and it's had some good up moves, and I actually got into it this morning thinking I was going to get into a long trade. I ended up doing some shorts as I saw some market weakness come in. I wanted to trade it yesterday, but I got tied up with the Apple trade, so I didn't get a chance to really get into it. So I want to go over with you today what my trade was and how I placed it and why I placed it. Now you can see from current market action that I actually got out too soon. I could have made a lot more money, but you know, that's the way it works sometimes. You trade your trade rules, and sometimes it works out for you, and sometimes you leave some money on the table. But I'd much rather trade my rules than not trade my rules. So I'm okay that I missed this move right here, and I'm going to go over what my trades were and why I took them. We started out with a move up here, went up to the 2 ATR. This is the 3-minute chart. And I was thinking about a long, but being up at this level, I would rather wait for it to go up, come back, and then go long. Then I got this candle, which as it was going up, I was thinking, I was watching some other stocks, but I was thinking maybe I missed this one. But I also started seeing weakness in the overall market about this time. So when I got the close up here, I decided to go ahead and try a short with the intention of coming back down into the main area. And so I put a short just below this 1 ATR line, I'm sorry, this 2 ATR line right here. And I was able to get short at 22.82. It went down, hit my first target. You can't barely see that, but it's 21.97. So it hit that target, and I closed half my shares. So I closed 100 shares there. I booked an $85 profit. And then I moved my stop to break even, decided just to watch and see what happened. I got stopped out here just a little bit better than break even, so I got another $2 on this trade for a total of $87. Then I watched the move here. I watched it go back over to ATR, and I decided I would look for another short. And I was really looking, I placed it after this candle. I missed it right here. I really should have probably taken it here, but I didn't. I was still watching it. I got this candle here. I decided to put the short just below this candle here, with a move hopefully back to the mean. On this candle, my stop was right above here, so it wasn't too bad. And I had a stop in this area when I entered this trade. So I shorted another 200 shares at 22.92. It moved down almost immediately and hit my first target. So I closed 100 shares there at 22.34 for $58. Initially, I moved my stop to break even. Then as I was watching these candles, I kept moving my stop down and down. I was just right below the mean line right here. And I got stopped out on this candle here because initially this candle went up. I got stopped out at 22.38 for another $54 there. And then, of course, you can see the bottom fell out. Now, I missed all this move because I got stopped out right here. Market came back just enough to get me, and that's okay. I can live with that. Yes, it's hurting me a little bit because I'm watching this continued move down, and I would love to still be in this trade. But I ended up on the second trade with $112. So my total trading this morning, I've got about $200, $199. I'm probably not going to enter another trade because I had a pretty good morning. If I was looking for something here, I'd actually be looking for, depending on what the overall market's doing, I'd be looking at a move to come back up into the mean. So I might be looking for, to buy some shares at a break somewhere through here. And again, that also depends on what the market itself is doing, and so you have to keep an eye on that. I have that on another chart. But that was my trade today. Made $199, just trading 200 shares at a time on Rite Aid. I had another trade earlier this morning that I lost a little bit of money on, got stopped out, so I was trying to go long, and then the market turned on me. But overall today, I had another profitable day. And if you like the video, please go ahead and like it. Please subscribe to the channel. It appears a lot of people like to watch my day trading more than my swing trading. I'm still going to do both on the channel, but I'm going to try to add some more day trading. I did look for a swing trade this morning, and I couldn't. I did not have one come up on my scanners. So I'm just going to hold off and wait for, I'll probably get some on the scanners Monday based on what the market's doing today. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thanks.